Hi everyone, Ivan Kawa reports, a citizen's voice. News coming in. The President of the Republic of Uganda has responded to the Supreme Court ruling by a panel of 7 judges. Now I'll go into straight to what the President has said. The President has clearly stated that the Supreme Court made a wrong decision in the matter of firearms armed civilians being tried by the military court-martial, stating that it is a method which the freedom fighters support because it reinforces the civilian judicial system to defend the lives of people against criminals armed with guns. On this point, let me take you back small about the ruling of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court ruled that the General Court-Martial was not a subordinate court due to its lack of competent legal professionals and independence. Let me know what you think from what the President has said and what the ruling stated. The President has wondered why, if you voluntarily acquire guns, why should you complain when you are tried in a forum that deals with those matters when soldiers are involved? If you are not a soldier, he says, why do you arm yourself with guns and moreover for criminal purposes and illegally that are a monopoly of the armed forces? The President commended some judges who supported the trial of civilians who are armed in the General Court-Martial. He adds that the Chief Justice Alfonso Winyudolo's ruling that the court-martial could be used if adjustments are done here and there was welcome. Remember, the Chief Justice made some advisory orders which included the amendments, the appointment of judges to the military courts, and the state giving proof beyond reasonable doubt that a certain case can't be tried by any other court but the military court. The President says that government will follow up the point towards the need for some amendments in the procedure of trying civilians in the military courts. He says this will also address issues like trying a soldier who has been involved in cases like rape in the military court. All this will be under analysis from what the President has written. Now, he also emphasized that one of the aims of the military courts is to protect the army against crime and to ease procedures. He gave an example how easy it would be to try soldiers who have stolen army rations in civilian courts because stealing is an offense in the Penal Code Act. Why not try them in the military court with the right to appeal to the higher national courts if you are not satisfied? This is also an issue that was subject to a lot of debate, and you remember in the Supreme Court ruling where they said that the General Court-Martial was actually locking out some of the rights of the soldiers, that they could not appeal beyond what the General Court-Martial has done. Now, the President has emphasized that he cannot and will not abandon this useful instrument for stability. He has instructed the Attorney General to propose the amendments to the Constitution of the laws to help the judges in the future from interfering with the useful and self-protection instrument for the country, and also remove any irrationalities, if any. He informed the judges that the rape, corruption, and many other cases are tried in military courts to protect the institution of the army. The guns, armed illegal operators should be tried initially in military courts to protect the society, the President emphasized. Ivan Kawa reports. I sign out. Let me know what you think in the comment section.